Aren't you being annoyed by that OBS Studio black screen? In this video, I will not walk you through on the installation process, but we will go right through on the issue of that annoying black screen on OBS Studio. This is a walkthrough for PCs and laptops running on the lower version of Windows 10 with Nvidia graphics, and also for those running with Windows 10 build 1909 or newer, running also in Nvidia graphics card. So let's open OBS Studio to let you see what I'm talking about. Once you have opened a newly installed OBS Studio, a pop-up screen will appear asking you if you like to run an auto configuration wizard. This doesn't matter much, so just click yes. And then it will ask you to specify what you want for the program to use for. If you are a person who does mostly for streaming, you may choose Optimize for streaming. But if you're a person who uses this for merely recording, you may choose Optimize just for recording. For me, I will mostly use this for recording, so I opted on the Optimize just for recording. Then click Next. After that, it will ask you for a video setting, but this doesn't matter, so just click Next. There will be another pop-up prompting you that the testing is complete, so just click Apply Settings. And after that, OBS Studio will welcome you with this black screen, because there is no input display added. So what we need to do is to add a display capture. So we need to click the plus button on the sources panel, and a pop-up window will appear. For now, we just click on the display capture, allowing us to record our screen. Another pop-up window will appear asking if you want to create new or add existing. Also make sure that the make source visible in the bottom is checked. Since we still don't have a display capture, we need to create new and click OK. A new pop-up window will appear. This time it will let you choose which display you want to record with. Since we don't have multiple displays, we just click OK. And that finishes our setup. But as you can see here, it is still a black screen, even if you try the fit to screen option. But since this is free software, why is there need to complain? All we can do is to address that issue. So what we need to do is to exit OBS Studio and open Settings. Then go to the System and go down to About for us to see what system we are running. Is it 32-bit or 64-bit? Since we have seen that it is 64-bit, we need to close this and right-click OBS Studio icon. Click Properties. Go to Compatibility, click Change Settings for all users, check Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 7. Click Apply, then OK. Then click OK again. After that, right-click anywhere on the blank space on your screen and then click the Nvidia Control Panel. And from there, click on the Manage 3D Settings. Then click Program Settings, and if you don't see OBS Studio, you need to click on the Select Program and a drop-down menu will appear. In this, you need to look for OBS Studio, and if you can find OBS Studio, you need to add it by clicking Add and then locate OBS Studio in the program files. And then from there, if you are using an integrated graphics, choose Integrated Graphics. But if you are using Nvidia, click High Performance Nvidia Processor. So here I choose High Performance Nvidia Processor. Then click Apply. Then let's try if that works. And it doesn't. Still a black screen. Why? Before I answer, let's open settings again and go to the system and go to about. As you can see, I am using a Windows 10 build 1909. That is why this process doesn't work. This process that we have done only works for older versions of Windows. But never to worry, there's a way around this. For this, we need to go to settings again. And search for graphics settings. Then click classic apps. Then go to program files. Search for OBS Studio. Click bin and click on 64-bit and choose OBS 64.exe. Then click options and a pop-up window will appear letting you choose system default, power saving, and high performance. Before we choose something, we need to explain this first. If you choose the power saving, this will allow you to do recordings by display capture to capture your screen or desktop. But if you want to use game capture to capture a game or use NVEC encoder, you need to select high performance. But for me, since I will only use this for display capture, I'll choose power saving. Click save and then close setting. Then we need to see again if that works. So let's open OBS Studio. And there you have it. It works. I hope that helps, because it has helped me a lot. So that's it for today. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. And of course, if you have any questions, or you need any help, or if you have any suggestions or comments, don't be shy to ask in the comment section below. See you guys next week. As always, cheers!